Malo e tau mau I e whia whini ka kaitonga. Whamu bena mo mau ha aho e whia e aoni. Koe tak whoki mai weni me pati kismasi e mau ngāwe. Ki hola ia. Ka koe tu tani mi. Koe hiwa koe ni mai au ti ahoni pe ka pongpong. McLean ua whawhitu, sap toko, malo tau lava. Salesi, sup, what's up, what's up? So yeah, I wanna give you guys a little demo on my song. I already did the first verse and a bridge and chorus. But it's not finished yet and it's not processed properly yet, but I just want to give you guys a little demo on the song. And that's the name of the song I put on the heading. It's called I'll Always Be Your Santa Claus. This song is dedicated to everyone that you'll fall in love with your moa, or you'll still figure out if you're gonna get a girlfriend or you gonna get married soon. This song is for you and your partner, or yeah, whatever. But anyway, shout out to everyone who watching. Malo tau mau e via fini. So yeah, I'll give you the little demo on the song, and it's not sound good at the moment because I'm still processing the song. But if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And I don't know what kind of song is it, but if you know what kind of song is it, just tohi me vita mai. But yeah, here you go. This beat, oh. Yeah. I am so tired. Keep in mind it's not finished yet. So yeah, that's the song. It's not finished yet. I still have to record some more backup to the chorus and have a little bit of cleanup on the verses. But yeah, you get the idea of the song, and I hope you guys like the song. But If you don't like it, or I did something wrong with the song, let me know. But yeah, I'll play it again just to, whatever. Here you go. If you're feeling the song, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, then never mind. Also, I wanna let you guys know that I'm recording different type of songs. It's not just reggae or R&B or I'm trying to make different styles. So if you like this style, up to you.
Baby, my thought is sweet. Don't motherfucker no need me. Think I see you go happy. Baby, mo only suka lahi.
Joseph, ito kita ka Santa Claus si Alwat.
Baby, to buwa ho fakai. Atamay ni ko mo remisi. Tahamayane. Ikifana molele. Tahamayane.
Toko, I'm from New Zealand, but originally from Tonga.
You already know. I'll always be your Santa Claus. Give you all the love that you deserve and the joy of Christmas. Baby, you already know. I'll always be your Santa Claus. Give you all the love that you deserve and the
Valor, yeah?
joy of Christmas.
Joseph, ala tai ko. Nah, true Toko. Don't get out of my baby. Oh yeah. Check out my dance. Nah, check. And that's the song. I'll try my best trying to finish it off today so I can upload tonight for you guys to have a little tata-ulu to it. And make sure you keep watching this video when it's posted on YouTube, because I'll put the link at the end of this video for the song when it's uploaded for you guys. Or otherwise, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get a notification when the song is uploaded. I'll try my best to get the song uploaded tonight or maybe tomorrow. But yeah, shout out to everyone who's watching. Joseph. Dito gifawa ta for Santa Claus ka. Nah, but thanks for watching, Toko. Hope you guys have a great Christmas and ofa ka to ka di motul ka to ko to pe mo me mai video he ahoni he fiafini. I know I sound lazy, yes, because I'm tired. And yeah. Oh, also I have a new channel that teach about how to use the program, or how to use how do you record, and how everything that I'm doing right now will be on that channel. But I'm still processing the channel, still working on it. So for someone's out there that wanna do what I'm doing, so yeah. But I'll let you guys know when the channel is done processing, and I'll get some video uploaded for you guys to see what I'm doing, and maybe hopefully you guys learn something from it. And enough talking. Malo apito mo mia mai ofala ya kading moto ko to ape Polo Sky malo apito Tongan Warrior MMT all day. Tegililo Malotoko Vendhana Mani, Malo Apito. Jayus, what's up? Malo Lele, Malo Apito. Matimatong Agiai, Ofat Kakoe Toko. Anafu, Merry Christmas. Queenie, Malo Toko. So yeah, make sure you guys hang around, waiting for that song to upload it tonight, or hopefully tonight. I'll try my best to get uploaded tonight for you guys to have a listen to it. And I still have another verse to record. So yeah, peace. TJ now. Overlahead got the motor got up here, Mumia Mai, Fatawangi, Muma, Afifia, Honey, and what else? Thank you. And bye. Overlahead got the motor. See ya.